cloak. A cloak is a long hooded coat, usually without sleeves. What is a cloak? Get ready.
A long hooded coat, usually without sleeves.
Yes, awesome job. The last word is wind. Sorry. Wind means to neigh quietly. What does wind mean? Get ready.
To neigh quietly.
Yes. If a horse makes a loud, drawn-out cry, we say the horse neighed. If the sound was quiet and gentle, we say the horse whined. All right, list 2. There are 2 things we need to talk about before we talk about the meanings of these words in this list: verbs and past tense. Verbs are words that tell about actions or a state of being. What are verbs? Get ready.
Words that tell about an action or a state of being.
Awesome. All right, so crying, play, and skipped are action verbs. The state of being verbs are is, am, are, was, were, be, being, and been. All the words in list 2 are action verbs. They're what? Get ready?
Action verbs.
Yes, action verbs. When words have something in common, they are alike in some ways. What does it mean when words have something in common? Get ready.
They are alike in some way.
Yes, they're alike in some ways. These action verbs have something else in common. They all tell actions that have already happened. So what do the action verbs in list 2 have in common? Get ready?
They're all past tense verbs.
Yes, they're all past tense verbs. When a verb tells about an action, it has already happened. So these are past tense verbs. When you recognize many past tense verbs because they end with the suffix ed, what suffix is at the end of past tense verbs? Get ready?
Ed.
Yes, ed. You can run, yes. So verbs that tell about actions have already happened and they have a suffix ed, and the end are called regular past tense verbs. What do we call verbs that tell about actions that have already happened and have the suffix ed at the end? Get ready?
Regular past tense verbs?
Yes, regular past tense verbs. Okay, so the first word on our list is squatted. What word? Get ready?
Squatted.
Yes, squatted. Squatted is a past tense verb of the verb squat. Squatted means hit or crushed. I'm sorry, swatted. Usually with a flat object. So what does swatted mean? Get ready?
Hit or crushed, usually with a flat object.
Yes, hit or crush with a flat object, like you swat a fly. But you swatted. The next word is shivered. What word? Get ready?
Shivered.
Yes, shivered. Shivered is the past tense of the verb shiver. Shivered means shook uncontrollably. What does shivered mean? Get ready?
Shook uncontrollably.
Yes, shook uncontrollably. So if you're outside and in the snow, you're shivered. Some things that make people shiver are being cold, excited, or afraid. What things make people shiver? You ready?
Cold, excited, or afraid.
Yes. Awesome. Our next word is lunged. What word? Get ready?
Lunged.
Yes. Lunge is a past tense of the verb lunge. Lunge means jump towards. What does lunge mean? Get ready?
Jump towards.
Yes, jump towards. And the next word is whacked. What word? Get ready?
Whacked.
Yes, whacked is the past tense of the verb whack. Whacked means to hit quickly. What does whack mean? Get ready?
To hit quickly.
Yes, to hit quickly. The next word is boomed. What word? Get ready?
Boomed.
Yes, boomed. Boomed is the past tense of the verb boom. Boom means made a very loud noise. What does boom mean? Get ready?
Made a very loud noise.
Yes, made a very loud noise. Our next word is scurried. What word? Get ready?
Scurried.
Yes, scurried. Scurried is a past tense of the verb scurry. Scurried means to move with short, quick steps. What does scurry mean? Get ready.
To move with short, quick steps.
Yes, to move with short, quick steps. And finally, our last word is scampered. What word? Get ready.
Scampered.
Yes, scampered. Scampered is the past tense of the verb scamper. Scampered is a synonym of scurried. It also means to move with short, quick steps. What does scampered mean? Get ready.
To move with short, quick steps.
Awesome. All right. List 3, starting at the top. So all of these lists in the list 3 also have something in common. They're past tense verbs. They're what? Get ready.
Past tense verbs.
Yes, past tense verbs. We do call verbs that have suffix ed at the end. Oh, sorry, what do we call? Sorry, moving on. Verbs tell us about actions that have already happened but do not end with the suffix ed. They're called irregular past tense verbs. They're called what? Get ready.
Irregular past tense verbs.
Yes, irregular past tense verbs. What do we call verbs that tell about actions that have already happened but they do not have the suffix ed? Get ready.
Irregular past tense verbs.
Awesome. So all of these words in list 3 are irregular past tense verbs. The first word is told. What word? Get ready.
Told.
Yes, told. The past tense of the verb tell is not telled. It is the past tense. What is the past tense of the verb tell? Get ready.
Told.
Yes, it's told. The next word is sprang. What word? Get ready.
Sprang.
Yes, spring. Spring is the past tense of the verb spring. The past tense of the verb spring is not springed. What is the past tense of the word spring? Get ready.
Sprang.
Yes, sprang. The next word is took. What word? Get ready.
Took.
Yes, took. Took is the past tense of the verb take. The past tense of the verb take is not taked. It is took. What is the past tense of the verb take? Get ready.
Took.
Yes, it's took. The next word is felt. What word? Get ready.
Felt.
Yes, felt is the past tense of the verb feel. The past tense of the verb feel is not feeled. What would be the past tense of the word feel? Get ready.
Felt.
Yes, it would be felt. The next word is stood. What word? Get ready.
Stood.
Yes, stood. Stood is the past tense of the verb stand. The past tense of the verb stand is not standed. What is the past tense of the verb stand? Get ready.
Stood.
Yes, stood. The next word is left. What word? Get ready.
Left.
Yes, left is the past tense of the verb leave. The past tense of the word leave is not leaved. It would be left. So what is the past tense of the verb leave? Get ready.
Left.
Yes, left. Next we have saw. What word? Get ready.
Saw.
Saw is the past tense of the verb see. The past tense of the verb see is not seed. It is saw. So what is the past tense of the verb saw? See. Get ready.
Saw.
Yes, saw. The next word on our list is grew. What word? Get ready.
Grew.
Yes, grew. Grew is the past tense of the verb grow. So the past tense of the verb grow is not growed, it would be grew. So what is the past tense of the word grow? Get ready.
Grew.
Yes, grew. And our last word is broke. What word? Get ready.
Broke.
Yes, broke. Broke is the past tense of the verb break. The past tense of the verb break is not breaked, it is broke. What is the past tense of the verb break? Get ready.
Broke.
Yes, broke. Awesome. And then moving on to list 4, there's also another thing that we have common here. They all end in ly. The suffix ly means something is done. What does the suffix ly mean? Get ready.
The way something is done.
Yes, the way something is done. Words that tell about how actions are done are called adverbs. What do we call words that tell about how actions are done? Get ready.
Adverbs.
Yes, adverbs. So all the words in this list 4 are adverbs. So the first word on our list, our adverb, is loudly. What word? Get ready.
Loudly.
Yes, loudly. The root word of loudly is loud. Loud means not quiet or lots of noise. What does loud mean? Get ready.
Not quiet or lots of noise.
Yes, not quiet or lots of noise. When you do something loudly, you do it in a way that makes a lot of noise. So what word means something in a way that, what word means something that you're doing with a lot of noise? Get ready.
Loudly.
Yes, loudly. The next word we have is sharply. What word? Get ready.
Sharply.
Yes, sharply. The root word of sharply is sharp. One meaning of sharp is high-pitched sound. What is one meaning of sharp? Get ready.
High-pitched sound.
Yes, high-pitched sound. When you do something sharply, you do it in a way that makes it a sharp, high-pitched sound. What word means to do something in a way that makes a sharp, high-pitched sound? Get ready.
Sharply.
Yes, sharply. The next word is quietly. What word? Get ready.
Quietly.
Yes, quietly. The root word of quietly is quiet. Quiet means with little or no noise. What does quiet mean? Get ready.
With little or no noise.
Yes, awesome. With little or no noise. When you do something quietly, you do it in a way that makes little or no noise. So what do you do? Sorry. So what word means something in a way that makes little or no noise? Get ready.
Quietly.
Yes, quietly. The words have opposite meanings are called antonyms. They're called what? Get ready.
Antonyms.
Yes, antonyms. What do we call words that have opposite meanings? Get ready.
Antonyms.
Yes, antonyms. What word from list 4 is an antonym of quietly? Get ready.
Loudly.
Yes, loudly. Loudly and quietly are antonyms. They're what? Get ready.
Antonyms.
Yes, antonyms. Finally, the last adverb is completely. What word? Get ready.
Completely.
Yes, completely. The root word is complete, and complete means finished or total. What does complete mean? Get ready.
Finished or total.
Yes, finished or total. When you do something completely, you do it in a way that is complete, total, or finished. That what word means to do something in a way that is complete, total, or finished? Get ready.
Completely.
Yes, completely. Okay, so finally we have our vocabulary expressions. So the first expression in our list is a hallway as narrow and dark as the streets outside. When you use the words like or as to compare two different things, this is called a simile. What is it called when you compare two different things using the words like or as? Get ready.
A simile.
Yes, a simile. Similes are kinds of literary devices. What are literary devices? Should we do that one?
You're going to want to tell them what it is.
Ways authors. Should I just say the answer because they're not going to know to
Yes.
say? Okay, cool. So we're going to start over.
Very good.
Edit that out. Okay, so our final list is understanding our vocabulary expressions. The first expression is hallways as narrow and dark as the streets outside. When you use words like or as to compare two different things, this is called a simile. What is it called when you compare two different things using the words like or as? Get ready.
A simile.
Yes, a simile. Similes are kinds of literary devices, ways authors use words into making their writing more interesting. So literary devices that help readers get a better picture in their minds are called figurative language. What do we call literary devices that help readers get better pictures in their minds? Get ready?
Figurative language.
Yes, figurative language. The literary device simile is an example of figurative language because describing something by comparing two different things, this helps the reader make better pictures in their minds. And why is a simile an example of figurative language? Yeah, get ready.
Because it compares two things.
Yes, describing something by comparing two different things helps readers make better pictures in their minds. So looking at the first vocabulary expression again, to what does the author compare the narrow and dark hallways? Get ready.
To the streets outside.
Yes, to the streets outside. Did the author use the words like or as when he compared these two different things? Get ready.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am, they did. Yes, the simile, because this is a simile because the word is as used to compare narrow and dark hallways to the streets outside. What do we call this kind of comparison? Get ready.
A simile.
Yes, a simile. All right, so our next vocabulary expression. These words say spooking at the sound. You now know what spooking means, frightening. What do we think of spooking at the sound means? Get ready.
Frightening at the sound.
Yeah, being frightened by a sound.